In this video, we're going to go over how to divide integers. So say I were to give you negative 12 divided by negative 4, and I told you to find the answer. What would it be? Well, the answer here is simply going to be 3. And it's going to be 3 and not negative 3 because we have the same sign. We have two negatives. Now, say I were to give you 12 divided by 4. Two positive numbers. What's the answer going to be? The answer is going to be 3 again because we have the same sign. We have two positive numbers. Now, say I were to give you negative 12 divided by 4. So now we have a positive number and a negative number. So what's our answer going to be? Our answer is going to be negative 3 because anytime we have different signs, the answer is always negative. And the last variation, say I were to give you 12 divided by negative 4. And I told you to find the answer. What would it be? Well, here, once again, it's going to be negative 3 because once again here, we have two different signs. We have a positive sign and we have a negative sign. So anytime you have the same sign and you're dividing, the answer is always going to be positive, whether it's two positive numbers or two negative numbers. And then when you have a different sign and you're dividing, the answer is always going to be negative, whether it's positive and then negative or negative and then positive. Now let's try one more problem. And this time pause the video and try it on your own. But now, say I were to give you negative 24 divided by, let's say 6. And I told you to find the answer, what would it be? Well, when you pause the video and then when you come back, you'll see that the process is the exact same. Because there's two different signs, a positive and a negative, we know our answer is going to be negative. And so how many times does 6 go into 24? It goes in 4 times. So our final answer is negative 4. And so just a key tip and the main idea of this video is that whenever you have the two same signs, the answer is always going to be positive, regardless of what those two signs are. Whether they're both positive or both negative, it's always going to be positive. And when you have different signs, the answer is going to be negative. I hope this video helped. Thank you.